anyone who's ever sliced into a sand trap knows golf is not an exact science. But what goes into the modern golf ball is. Now, back in the old days, the ancestors of today's Titleists and TaylorMades were simply compressed goose feathers wrapped in leather. But then, 19th century manufacturers switched to gutta percha, aka transpolyisoprene, a polymer of natural rubber, leading to cheaper, more durable balls known as gutties. Early golfers also discovered that dimpled balls had less drag than smooth ones, thus increasing their lift and accuracy. So, today you'll find up to 482 indentations on the average ball's surface. A sleek, aerodynamic shell of polyurethane elastomer, combining flexibility with a tremendous resistance to abrasion. And that cratered casing is wrapped around a master's tournament of ingredients like zinc oxide, used as a filler, and polybutadiene, a polymer that's basically rubber with memory, allowing the material to revert to its original shape in 1,000th of a second, say after getting whacked by a club. Then, when you go looking for your ball, it may be easier to find thanks to Master Batch Red, a polymer used for coloring. Just one more way modern technology suits this ancient sport to a T. 4. Feeling wired yet? Subscribe.